2024 BMW R1300GS Adventure, MSRP price $18,895. We look forward to finding out if the 2024 R1300GS makes good on the promise of higher performance, better handling, and a slimmer fit. From the looks of it here, BMW has put the ADV world on notice that the king is back to reclaim the throne. Stay tuned for a first ride review late October 2023. 2024 BMW R1300GS specs MSRP $18,895. Engine DOHC air/liquid cooled 4-stroke flat twin with BMW shift cam. Displacement 1,300 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke 106.5 by 73.0 millimeters. Compression ratio 13.3:1. Transmission/final drive 6-speed/chain. Claimed horsepower 145 horsepower at 7,750 rpm. Claimed torque 110 pound-ft at 6,500 rpm. Fuel system electronic intake manifold injection. Clutch wet slipper function. Hydraulic activation. Frame steel sheet metal. Aluminum subframe. Front suspension BMW. Motorrad EVO telelever. Central spring strut 7.5 inches. Travel rear suspension BMW Motorrad EVO paralever 7.9 inches. Travel front brake 4-piston radial calipers. Dual 310mm discs with BMW Motorrad ABS Pro. Rear brake 2-piston floating caliper 285mm disc. BMW Motorrad ABS Pro. Wheels front/rear light alloy cast 19 by 3.00 inches /17 by 4.50 in. Tires front/rear 120 divided by 70 R-19 divided by 170 divided by 60 R-17. Rake/trail 26.2 degrees per 4.4 inches. Wheelbase 63.8 inches. Seat height 33.5 inches. Fuel capacity 5.0 gallons. Claimed wet weight 523 pounds. Contact bmwmotorcycles.com. 2024 BMW R1300GS specs MSRP $18,895. Bore X-stroke 106.5 by 73.0 millimeters. Compression ratio 13.3:1. Transmission/final drive 6-speed/chain. Claimed horsepower 145 horsepower at 7,750 rpm.